Guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, we are making bitter leaf soup, and here are the ingredients I'm using for my soup. I have my crayfish here is my crayfish, and for my thickener I'm using achi. You can use any thickener of your choice. I'm using two types of achi here, the white one and the brown one. They are the same thing. So here is my achi. This will serve as my thickener. You can use cocoyam, you can use ofo. And here is my pepper. I'm using two types of pepper, the yellow and the red scotch bonnet pepper here. The yellow and the red scotch bonnet pepper here. And here is my beef. I have beef and one more here. I've washed my meat. So here I have my stockfish, I have my dried fish, and I have my ogiri. Here is my ogiri. This is also known as fermented locust beans. Okay, this is how they package it here. So inside this nylon, let me open it so that I can show you people. So here it is. This is my ogiri. That's my fermented locust beans. And guys, here is my bitter leaf. I'm still washing it. I'm still washing the bitter leaf. I'm not done with the washing yet. So now we are going to start by cooking our meat. So I'm going to start now to start adding in my meat. If you are new to the channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you so much guys. I do not take your love for granted. Please like the video and comment, okay? Then I'll go in with my stockfish because they cook at the same time. I'll add in my seasoning cube now. I'll go in with my seasoning cube now. Then I'll go in with my pepper. I'll add in water just enough to cook my meat and for my soup. I'm going to mix. I will cover the pot and I will allow this to cook. And while this is cooking, I'll be preparing my bitter leaf. So guys, now that our meat is cooked, I'll be going in now with my crayfish. I'll add in my crayfish now. I'm adding everything because right there in this kitchen, you don't waste anything. I'll go in now with my dry fish. I soaked it in hot water and then I washed it. I'm going to test for salt. Let's test your food as you go, okay? So everything is okay now. I'll be going in now with my ogiri. Because there's no bitter leaf without ogiri. and then I'm going with my soup now. I'll stir this now. And I'll go in with my palm oil. So now I'm going to cover this and I will let it cook for a few more minutes, then I will come back. If you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe, I
I
okay?
will
If you
cover
haven't,
this and
don't
let it
forget to
cook
like
for a
this
few
video and
minutes, okay?
also
Then
tell
we'll
me
come
where you
back.
are watching
If you
from
have watched
in
me
the
up to
comment
now and you
section
have
so
not
I can give
subscribed
you
to
a
our
shout
channel,
out in
please
my next
subscribe,
video.
like, share, leave your comments, okay? And do other good stuff to this channel. So guys, I'll add in my
And guys,
bitter leaf
our bitter
now.
leaf soup is ready. Let me know in the comment section the swallow you'll be enjoying this with, and also let me know the best swallow for bitter leaf soup. See, this is something that you should try out, okay? It's so good, it's so
Then I'm
so
going to stir.
delicious. And guys, here we have it. Our delicious bitter leaf soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye bye. See you.